Joe Beermaster. We have a 2012 Nissan Pathfinder. This goes for multiple years. This is a V6 4.0 engine. I'm going to show you a common problem. You can see all this antifreeze that leaked out. And the problem is this heater control hose unit here breaks right in here. It's really weak in there, and they do break. And with a collision, they could break or just wear out. So when it breaks there, you know, you kind of rig it and reattach the hose, but do you want to risk your engine? So what we're going to do is replace the entire control unit. Here's a new one. Right there. Right there. You can see it hooks, clamps on the bottom. Control. There, and then roll. Connects on the back when that goes up against the firewall. So there's 4 connections and some bolts, but this is a common problem with the Nissan Pathfinders where it breaks right there. Joe Beermaster. This job should take a few hours to do, and I'm going to need to put it up on the lift because of this bottom hose. So this is the common problem with that. You got to replace it. You don't want it to damage your engine from overheating. So make sure you take care of it right away. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thumbs up. Thank you.